Okay, came home tonight just a few minutes ago. Package from Lock Picking Lawyer LPL. So let's see what we got in here. Real quick here before the phone rings. There we go. Holy smokes. Oops. All that paper. Go ahead. Dump that out there. Start with this one. Oh. And that's Icon Dimple. Oh man. That's gonna be fun. Oh, now that's cool. Now that is pretty freaking cool. Well, that is, I have never seen anything like this. It's literally got a face on it. That is pretty freaking cool. That's gotta be the coolest lock I've ever seen. Sergeant S22 key. That is pretty cool. Man, that's heavy. Herd. Always wanted to pick a herd. That's a nice lock too. Oh, what a bidding. That's gonna be fun as well. Oh. Cabba Peaks. That's an interesting tubular lock. That's gonna be fun. And another dimple. Love dimples. And it's an interactive. I've been wanting to pick an interactive. I have yet to pick one. And I'm pretty sure, yeah, interactive says it on the key. I thought it was. Because of that right there. That's going to be great. It's going to take me a while to get used to it probably, but that's going to be fun. This one here just blows my mind away. I mean, I'm guessing somebody actually cut that out. That is just, I've never seen anything like that. Never even thought about anything like that. Huh. That is just badass. I mean, I love all these. I mean, the icon I always wanted to pick. An icon, herd, Cava Peaks, interactive. But this right here, I mean, this, I've never ever even thought about doing a lock like this. Somebody sure does have a talent to shave. It looks like they cut that out, and they've done an excellent job at it. But that is cool as hell. LPL, I greatly appreciate the locks. This one kind of scares me just because of the face, I guess, but I greatly appreciate it. And I'll get you something mailed off here next day or so. And I'll get started picking them. Gotta go open another house. Alright everyone, be good, be safe, be legal. Thanks for watching. LPL, huge thanks again. Have a good one, guys. This is pretty cool. Thanks.